Hi, I'm Michael,
And today,
and welcome to
Diva's
Diva's Realm Cards
toys,
and
travel
Travel.
with yung
We're going to
birthday.
open some
OP16.
OPC One Piece, OP16 Japanese set.
Iwang.
So, good thing. Kailangan natin ng good
No, I don't
thing.
need.
Kailangan
That-
din natin ng perfect sleeve and ng penny sleeve for protection. And if needed, makakuha tayo, may top loader tayo.
Daddy, can I be the one to use my lock to open this?
Sige.
That cuts my lock.
Sige, okay. So we're going to open the new set. Although late na kami, ngayon lang kami nakabili. Kasi ngayon lang kami OP16.
Ano ulit yun?
Ang labo. Wait lang. Labo. Ayan. Sa Toys R Us. Ang labo.
Wait, I want to
alright.
pick packs.
Sige, okay. 2 packs to open. 2 chance to see.
Both of us will open.
Careful ka kasi may nagalit noong bukas tayo ng Pokemon.
Bakit?
Sisira daw yung Well, thank you for the concern, but I don't really care about the condition of the card, so
Why don't you care?
alright.
Sordo. Rowan Sordo. Marie.
Ace. Sino to? Nakalimutan ko sino to.
Kuma ba to?
Yes.
3 admirals.
Okay, last one. And 3,
Green
2,
girl.
1, and yeah! Hey!
Bakit?
I got Ace!
Ewa!
Ace! Oh, secret rare. Secret rare, yeah. Secret rare, texturized Ace. Ooh, OP16 1, ano?
Don't touch it. It needs perfect
118.
sleeves. It needs
Perfect slip
It
this?
needs this thing.
Yeah, because hindi pa namin siya malalagay sa binder namin kasi ang one piece binder namin is kalat. Kasi we don't master set kung ano lang mabuksan namin and kung ano lang ang makuha namin hits. So, kalat siya.
This is my rare.
And meron na kaming tatlong binder para sa mga one
At
piece
least
namin.
I got something from the
And we got
Luffy.
something
At
good.
least I got something from the Luffy.
Yun, wait lang.
At least I got.
Yan.
Why
Well,
why are you winning all the times now?
I don't know.
Did you change the tables?
Tables?
It's because of these glasses.
Yeah. So that's it for this pack battle.
Wait.
Walang Pokemon.
Wait. Since we got a secret girl, should we open more?
Pag nakabili pa tayo more, we must buy more para makaano pa tayo. Anyway, I'm Michael.
And today,
And we just opened some One Piece
Piece
cards
cards.
OP16 at Toys R Us.
my name is Monkey D. Andrina.
And I got sa Ace. OP16 118. Alright, bye.
I won.